wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town.
Hi, let's learn colors. This is a yellow bus. Noor is holding a yellow bus. Say yellow. This is color yellow. Bananas are yellow. Lemons are yellow. Hi baby, you're holding a yellow banana. Yeah, monkey's holding a yellow banana too. Do you love bananas? Yes, I do. These are yellow stars, yellow flower, and yellow sun. Yellow. Look, baby's holding a bear. It's a pink teddy bear. Say hi, pink teddy bear. Say pink. Pink teddy bear. Look, everyone is holding a pink teddy. Hi Teddy, you're holding pink teddy too. Say pink. Pink umbrella. Pink car. And pink balloons. Look at this teddy bear. This is a brown teddy bear. Noor is trying to catch the teddy bear. Hi teddy bear. Brown, brown teddy bear, walk, walk, walk. Brown, color brown. This is a brown party hat. Party hat. This is a brown gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm a gingerbread man. A brown dog. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Say hi to these dancing animals. And look, baby Noor is holding a giraffe and Igu Pigu. Now look, baby Noor is driving a pink car. Pink car. Beep, 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 pink car. Run, 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 baby, run, run, run. Say bye, bye. Say bye-bye to Noor baby's teddy bear. Keep smiling and stay happy. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.